Hello, this is Raihan. Welcome to another video of Java class number 8. In this video, I will explain about Java variable. So variable is very important in Java. It's not only in Java, it's every program the variable is very important. Okay, so now let's see. What is variable? In Java, variables are the data containers that save the data values during Java program execution. Every variable in Java is assigned a data type that design the type and quantity of value it can be held. A variable is a memory location name for the data. Okay. So now let's going to clear it. The variable have a three of part. So we are see that this is a variable type. Okay. And the first one we have instance variable, and next is a class or static variable and local variable. Okay. So now let's see which variable where we are include or input in this Java program. Okay. So here you see my right hand side is on another picture. I'm just bring it here just clear to you better, okay, because you need to understand very careful and very understandable. Okay, if you don't clear these topics, then you will it should be you have to clear, it should be you need to clear, otherwise you're not able to do make a project in this Java. Okay, because the variable very important. So first instance variable. Okay, so here on thing the declared inside the class. Okay, so here this is a class. Okay, this is a class, and the inside this is a instance variable. Okay, and there is outside the method. So this is a method, this line method. So outline outside the method and inside the class. Okay, so here this is an instance variable. Okay, so I think you cleared that. And this is a class or static variable. I mean, we'll call it class variable. Okay, and here you see the declared as a static in called or static variable inside a class. Okay, so this is a class, and inside a class this is a class variable. Okay, so this is a class variable, and we have last one local variable. So where the include in this here local variable. So I think you understand this is a method inside the local variable. Okay, here this is a local variable. Clear? I hope you are very clear this part. So if you don't understand, please comment me, I will clear again. Okay, now let's see the next part. We have a next picture. You see this is a data type, variable name and value. Okay, now let's clear it. Here the data type, we have a lot of part of data under. So now let's see where I'm clear everything part by part. Just wait. First, this is a data type. So the data type, you see the data type under two part, the primitive data type and non-primitive data type. So first you see the non-primitive data type have a string, array and etc. Okay, and the primitive data type we have a two part. First part is a Boolean and next part is numeric. Okay, numeric. So the Boolean part we have last on the Boolean because we haven't any section, but the numeric. So the numeric under have a two part, which is character and integral. Okay, and the integral under have a two part, which is integral and floating point. Okay, so the integer have a four data type: byte, short, integer and long. Okay, and the floating have a two type, which is a float and double. Okay, So these are a data type. So we are use all those data type here. Okay, this is a number, that's why we are use that integer data type. Okay, integer. I think you understand. And now we are going to clear it very comfortably. How many range in this each data type? So first you see this is a Boolean data type. Okay, so the Boolean have a contains which is true or false. The Boolean have a true or false. Okay, and the default is false, and this is size 1 byte, and you see that. And the next is character, in your characters, and this the 16 byte size, and this one you see. And we have a byte. Okay, byte have a signed integer. A signed integer has 0, and you see this is a 8-bit. The range is 128 to 127. Okay, this is a range, and this is a short. Here the short assigned integer, and this is a 0 default, and 16-bit. We have a 32,768 to 32,767. Okay, so these are a range, which is a storage range or storage capability. Okay, and the next is integer assigned integer, and default 0, and you see this is a 32 bits. Okay, and we have a unlimited. It's not unlimited, we have a lot of range this part. Okay, and the next is a long have a assigned integer, and this one also default 0 and 64 bytes. Wow, they have a lot of size range. It's uncountable. Okay, and the next is float. Okay, we have a floating point. This is a content, and then the default is it should be always the point and 0.0. Okay, or 2.0 or 3.0, like this. Okay, and we have 32 bits, and here the range. Okay, and the double is also same thing, 0.0. This is a default, and 64 bit, and the range is here. Okay, so I think you got it, this data system or this range of data, this data. Okay, and now we are going to see the next part, which is variable name. Okay, the variable name is important. Now let's see, the next part is variable name. So here is the variable name. The Java provide our variable names of rules. We have a 4 option to take a Java variable name. So first you need to know that a variable can consist capital letter. I mean, this is A to Z, the lowercase or it's uppercase, it doesn't matter. But when you take it, which cases, this is your name. And the letter is A, this is a lowercase, and digit you also need, you can take this digit, and you can also use a special character which is underscore. Okay, and on the other hand we have a $sign. Okay, so the next option I include here, I bring it here for you for another example, or you need to clear that very well. So here you see the lowercase s and uppercase and lowercase mixed s, and we have last is uppercase. Okay, only uppercase. So are the 3 different variable. Okay, 3 different variable, because they have 3 different cases, that's why the 3 different variable. Now we need to know that which is invalid or which is valid. Okay, so here valid and invalid. So this is a valid name. Okay, this is a valid name, and these are valid invalid name. Okay, so these are invalid name. So look, so the first name you see, this is lowercase and lowercase uppercase mixed, and uppercase and underscore and the dollar sign, okay, and var1 and the underscore. But invalid variable, you look, there is space, this is invalid, and there is another character, we cannot take this character, and this is another sign, this is not to rule in Java, and this is a hyphen, this is not rules, this is space one, this is also we can take, and this is another operator, we cannot use this operator, and this is another operator, we cannot use this operator. Okay, so it was the Java of theory class or theory topics. If you have any doubt, then please comment me, I will clear to you so better. As soon as possible that I bring the next video, which is a practical in this Java variable, okay, or how to use, and how many option is there also, we are clear it over there in this NetBeans. Okay, so this video is enough for today. We are going to see, or we are going to prepare to watch a next video, which is Java practical class. Okay, so have a good day.